In this video, we are going to see that if you want to change the password on Facebook, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just go on to the top right hand corner and click on the account icon. And from here, just choose settings and privacy. And from here, click on the settings. Now on the left hand side, we have the account center. We click on see more in account center. And from here, we choose password and security. Under the login and recovery section, we choose change password. Select the profile. And you need to confirm your current password. So make sure that you remember it. And after that, you should be able to change it to the new password. And it must be different than the older one. And you can also log out of other devices. Choose this if someone else used your account. So this is an additional security feature that you just reset your password and also log out of all the other devices at the same time. So you can make sure that no one else have still the access even after changing the password. So I'm using it only on my laptop. So I'll just keep it as it is, or let's click on it. Click on change password. And that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.